I think Mom and Dad are loving this. I took them on a really cool trail up the mountain, and it's such a beautiful day for it. They're stopping and taking lots of pictures and stuff. Check out this view though. Getting pretty high up, hey Dad? Not at the top yet though. Still got a little bit to go. What do you guys think? Yeah. Love it. Oh, frick. A little bit shaken up from the hike.
A little bit.
Yes.
Woo! Woo!
Should have shook mine and got rid of half.
Okay, you guys, I just want to thank you guys for coming all the way from Bigger, Saskatchewan out to Mountaintop in Valemount, BC.
Yes.
Thanks, guys.
We're happy to make
Okay,
the
honey.
trip, honey.
Love you.
Yeah, love you too.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Okay, we're walking across the suspension bridge at kilometer 6 of our journey up the mountain. There's Caitlin up ahead. We sent Mark along first to test it out. It's pretty stable, and we're halfway to the bottom. Here's the Slip Creek. It's roaring along. There's our hostess. There's the creek. There's Barkley at the other end. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty solid route. Don't want to fall in. It's running pretty fast. We wouldn't want to fall in. Yeah, we make it to the other side.
Coming down the trail now, 9 kilometers, took us about 4.5 hours. Mom and Dad are just behind me, and I just got word that the helicopter tour that I arranged is gonna be a go this afternoon. So they have no idea. I'm gonna go down, get my car, and then wait for the text, and then I surprise them with a helicopter tour. How you doing? Here we go. Surprised Mom and Dad. Get the chopper just for us. So say you guys did a quick 9 at Banff. That's the Fairmont.
So you should see, it's a beautiful course. Oh yeah, this is a short one, isn't it?
Yeah. 199 yards.
This is Mom and Dad testing out their new snorkels they got for St. Bart's. They wanted to give them a try in the pool. Like they're in unison. They say they're pretty sweet though. Hilarious. Crazy, eh? Dad! Okay, we missed our first bus, but we got on the second one. So, where are we going, you guys?
Off to the skywalk.
Yeah, gonna check out the skywalk just south of Jasper, about an hour. We're on the Athabasca Glacier, down the Icefields Parkway. Gonna check it out. It's gonna be cold though!
Freezing.
Freezing! Actually not bad.
Well, you like craft beer anyway.
I actually kind of like
No,
it.
I don't mind this either, really. Are we still videoing?
Yeah.
Well, we don't want them to hear that.
I can edit it.
Okay.
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 One out for the homies.